Alright guys, we are playing some dumb ways. Now this game, I played a little bit just to get used to it, the configurations and everything, and this game is basically a self-paced time and everything, and it sucks. So, here we go. We are going to play... No. I already suck at this. Good job, Chris. Oh yeah, that's me. I build my... That's right. Wow, I already suck at this. There we go. Alright, I suck at this. So yeah, that's dumb ways. I guess we can go ahead and play this again because of how much I suck. There we go. There we go. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. There we go. Swipe. Oh, okay. We were supposed to give him the faster. Don't press the button. Don't press it. Hey, don't press it. Don't press the button. Alright, we're good. Core. What? Oh, okay. I guess we were supposed to prevent him from falling, which I didn't even... Oh, phone. Got it. My tapping skills are on. There we go. Okay. Oh, thank you. That was easy. Alright, alright, alright. Faster! Aha! Found you, sucker. Yay! Alright, this goes there, this goes there. This is like Among Us. You gotta find the right chords. Which I don't think I'm gonna be doing Among Us for a while. I tried the other day and literally it sucked. Ah, frick. So, I don't think I'll be doing Among Us for a while, but I mean, it's... Oh! Ah! That one sucks. That one sucks a whole lot. Alright. Well, we failed again. But we leveled up, for sure. I think. What do we get? Oh, this guy. Alright. Nice. Alright, we're gonna play again, because this game is fun. Easy. Easy peasy. Yeah. Alright. Oh, swipe, swipe, swipe. Got it. Go ahead. Nice. Got the gift. Faster. What? Aha. Shoot. Damn it. Okay. Me when I'm tired. Ooh. Alright. Wait, what? Okay. Oh, okay. That wasn't no bueno. Fresh pie, okay. I think it would have been demolished afterwards. And would have been poof. You know? I think so. Okay, here we go. Aha. Whoop. 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 Let's go. We can do it. Oh. Can't do this to me twice. Alright. Frick! I hate that one. Alright. That one sucks. Alright, we're gonna do like 2-3 more rounds And yeah. Nice. Yeehaw! Alright. What? Oh. Okay. I was like, wait, what are you trying to do here? Trying to confuse me? Oh, sort of idea. No, get away from his crotch, you weirdo. Nope. Faster. There we go. Oh. Shoot! No! That's not okay. Oh, I see. Okay, I was supposed to get him to land before his boat sunk. Faster! Aye. There we go. Okay. Alright, we can do this with one last guy. Yeet. 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 I'm assuming if you don't jump, you go flying. Oh. Okay. So they do that to you twice, which is just weird. Alrighty. He's enjoying his time. Oh, that's impossible. That one literally is like a DNF on that. Because you're just like... So it's like... Oh well. Alrighty. A few more rounds. Alright. Nice. Good job, dude. Proud of you. The gold. Don't touch it. Don't press it. Don't press it. My hands are right here. Don't press it. Alright, we're good. Faster. Okay. Don't know how that's possible. Nice. I like it. Yay! Alright. Alright. I guess that's how it works. Faster! Just... Alright, come on. Damn it. No! Alright. No. Oh, we were so close. Alright. Nice. Get the money. Alright, here we go. Yes! We got it. Dang it! I didn't know that can happen. Okay.